Baskin, Carol Baskin killed her husband, whacked him. Don't convince me that it didn't happen. Huh? Yep.
Bro, how come every time I tell somebody I'm Muslim, they get kind of scared? Like, bro, I'm not gonna eat you, okay? You're not halal.
Should've told you what you meant to me. Whoa. 'Cause now I pay the price. And another life.
It's happening. It's happening for the first time. I'm going viral. It's happening. I'm going viral. I'm going viral. I'm not surprised because, like, my dance skills are so good. Like, look at me. Never mind.
Brothers, 2018 in that push Corolla. Gay up pouch. Racks in a quarter ounce. 2 accounts.
Which country has the same flag as the USA? America?
And that's my life. Sad, 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 and above all, sad.
Sin City was
Last time my friends were over, we were all sitting here watching a movie. You came downstairs completely nude, covered head to toe in salsa, and screamed, "Who wants huevos rancheros now, bitches?"
I just think it's really funny how there are teachers who are like, I hope you and your family are doing well during this stressful time, and then they go ahead and assign you a 12-page paper with size 10 New Roman font and MLA citations. You are my stress. Shut up!
Me on FaceTime ignoring everything the person is saying and looking at my stuff. Me restarting the song because I blinked on my face. When Bay raises their voice and you trying to understand who they
My heart went.
Yo, you wanna see some real speed, bitch?
Anna, what's your joke? Tell him your joke. What's red and shaped like a bucket? What? A red bucket.
These two people have been arguing back and forth on a comment in a TikTok I made for 10 hours. Give it a break.
I walk in like a timepiece. I go straight to VIP. I never pay for my drinks. My entourage behind me.
Oh, don't mind me. No, I'm just enjoying. I'm just savoring the moment. Yeah. Jake, keep him.
All of the things I do.
I may be an idiot, but I'm not stupid.
Should've told you what you meant to me. Whoa. 'Cause now I pay the price. And another life.
How many are there?
36. Counted them myself.
36!
Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken. All my scars are open.
First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You so in love, you ain't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. Make some noise!
So you could keep on shaking it. Never really knew that she could dance like this. She make a man wanna speak Spanish. Como se llama? Bonita. Picasa. Shakira, Shakira.
Never mind, they got an ugly ass dog. Some bullshit. Talking all that shit behind closed doors, but when I step out, it's silent. What the fuck? I'm gonna bite the fuck out of you.
Hey Mom, I found this old video of you when you were younger.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I haven't watched it yet though. It's probably just an old TikTok, you know. Renegade. Renegade. Yeah.
Alright, bud. You sleep good, okay?
She like, Poppy, I adore you. I'm like, baby, I ain't normal. Sin City wasn't made for you.
Wasn't made for who?
Angels like you.
Boy, bye!
Okay guys, so I'm going to teach you how to get any guy to come over and talk to you or ask you for your number or whatever. Okay, so step by step, you're going to glance, and then you're going to look him up and down, you're going to smirk, you're going to smile, and then get a little bit sassy, and then just look away.
I just went to go get gas, and this man behind me, this man's probably like 50, he looks at my outfit and goes, "Your outfit matches very nicely." I'm like, "Oh, thank you, sir." Then he goes, "I really like your shoes." I was like, "Oh, thanks." He goes, "What size of shoe do you wear?" I was like, 8.5. I'm at the register. I say 15 on pump 3. The man behind me speaks up, says, "Oh, I'll pay for her gas." I was like, "Oh, no, sir, you don't have to do that." He's like, "No, no, no, I insist." I go outside to go pump my gas. The guy comes back and asks me if he could have a picture of my foot. Why would someone want a picture of my foot? I start laughing. This guy's not laughing. Dude, he was serious. "Oh no, sir." He's like, "How much do you charge?" How much do I charge for a picture of my foot? I don't really know my rates yet. So he goes, "How about 20? I'm like, what? Like, no, I would not do that. I don't know if that's illegal, but I just sold a picture of my foot for $80.
I'm an old friend. I just wanted
All visitors are required to make arrangements.
Go check the electric fence or something. What is it? Who are you? What do you want? Oh my God, you've gotten fat. Come in, come.
What a time to be alive.
Oi! Eyes up ya, filthy pervert.
Are you sad? You know what? Don't be sad, because sad backwards is das. And that's not good. I'm fat.
Alright, come on, red blood cells, line up, single foul, okay. Everyone's here? Alright, so at your last checkpoint, they should have gave you a card. Your card is gonna tell you where you're gonna deliver. Oh man, there's an opening. If I can slip past him, I can get to it. If your card starts with an M, you're going to the muscles. If your card starts with an H, you're going to the heart. As soon as he turns away, I'll make a run for it. Maurice. Huh? Are you listening? Yeah? What'd I just say? Something about oxygen and, circulation? Alright. Like I said, I do recommend taking... I wasn't listening to a damn thing. Well... Almost time to escape. Oh, so you're trying to escape? No. How the hell did he hear that? Because you're talking out loud. You know, that's actually pretty funny. Freedom! I knew you was going towards that opening, so I'd in here patch it up.
You can change the whole sky color to purple. Excuse me. Yes.
Wait, why you look like me?
I'm your twin.
For real?
Nah, I'm just fucking with you, man. We aliens, bro. You the first face we saw, so we thought everybody looked like you. We all look like you. Hey, ask him why his nose got 2 nostrils. He's not gonna know. Just ask him. Why your nose got 2 nostrils? I don't know. See, I told you he don't know. Man, hey, we're here to take this planet, so we're gonna need y'all to lead. What? Usually we like new planets, but we decided not to be bougie. We're gonna take this one, and it's definitely used. Like, it ain't even refurbished. Wait, where are we supposed to go? We don't care where y'all go. Y'all could try Pluto. What if we kill y'all? I mean, you could kill us. How many questers you got? What's a quester? How you gonna kill us if you don't got no questers? Hey, bro, they ain't got no questers. He ain't got no questers. How he gonna kill us without questers? That's what I said. Everybody know you need questers. Oh. We'll just use guns. Wait, hold on. Are you even the leader? No, our leader is Donald. I'm the leader.
Lassù in montagna, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 seppellire lassù in montagna, sotto l'ombra di un bel fior, 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 fior.
Guys, I'm not kidnapped. I promise. If I was kidnapped, I would not be having all this shit, okay? I'm not kidnapped. Stop.
503 bricks on a plane and 1 falls off. How many are left? 502. How do you put an elephant in a fridge? You can't fit an elephant in a fridge. Open the door, put the elephant in, and close it. How do you put a giraffe in a fridge? Open the door, put the giraffe in, and close the door. No. Open the door, take the elephant out, put the giraffe in, and close it. The Lion King is having a birthday party. All the animals are there except for one. Which one? Let me guess, the lion. No, the giraffe because he's in a fridge. Wow! Sally has to get across a large river with lots of alligators. They're dangerous, but she gets across safely. How? Sally stepped on the alligator's mouth. The gators are at the party. But Sally dies anyway. Why? She drowned? No, she got hit in the head by the flying brick.
I got this. I got this. Man, I don't look like that. Come on, man.
I'm gay. I'm gay. I'm gay. I'm gay. I'm gay. Oh, fuck.
Go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna go off the deep.
My body different. Fuck! I messed it up. I messed it up. I spoke too early. I messed everything up.
Mom, guess what?
What?
There's always 2 people in this house talking shit.
Yes, I know. You.
No, me and you.
No. I listen. You talk shit.
Hey dude, what are you doing in my house? I am here to kill you. Haha, you fool. You can't kill me. Why not? I'm in the living room.
Here, let me help you. Oh no, it's so... Thanks.
Are you new here? I don't think I've seen you around.
Just moved here. My dad got a new job.
Nice.
Hey, do you know where room 312 is?
Yeah, around the hall on your right.
Thanks.
No problem. I'm Jake, by the way.
I'm in love.
Huh?
I'm Katie. Katie Parker.
Well, I'll see you around, Katie Parker.
I didn't know what love was until I saw him.
Who in the hell put the muffins in the freezer? I did. What you gonna do about it?
Ladies, what do we need? Not right now, hon. This is my only time to eat. Okay? Sweetheart, I know you need help. Just not right now. Okay, this is my only time to eat. I know you need help. I'd rather not spend my lunch break helping students, okay? Come back next period. I can help you as much as you'd like. Okay, this is my only time to eat.
Favorite high school memory? Leaving. Checking to see if those weird sounds are a part of the music or not. Nobody. Me in the shower thinking water's coming out of my fingers. Expectation, reality. Chat, can't. Email, I cannot. Essay of 3,000 words. Henceforth, I am unable to can. This photo was taken at the perfect time. Everyone by the time the aliens take over next month. Oh no! Anyway. My dumbass tried making macaroni, forgot the water. Hey, what happened in December 2020? The moon landing. Yes, finally, some good news. 10-year-old me preparing to tell my mom at 9 p.m. I need glue and construction paper for my project tomorrow. Incorrect, correct. Me.
Go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna go off the deep.
My body different. Fuck! I messed it up. I spoke too early.
Mom? Yeah, honey. The cleaner took my stuff. Now, you know that's not true. You'll find it. You always do. Not this time, Mom. She really took it. She took my Xbox. Okay, I'll talk to her. Okay. Thanks. I'm gonna go to Starbucks. Oh, and remember, honey, your dad took the BMW. So what does that mean? Well, it means that you're gonna have to take the Volkswagen. What the heck? God, so unfair. Now I can't drive in sport.
Made so you. Made so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Class.
That's for almost getting us killed. And that's for saving my life.
Babe, would you rather date me or the prettiest girl in the world? Prettiest girl in the world for sure. What? Prettiest girl in the world. Can you hear? Yeah, I can hear. Okay, so why'd you say what? It was supposed to be me. What? It was supposed to be me because I'm supposed to be the prettiest girl too? No. Don't get that thought in your head. What? Can you hear? Yes. Don't fucking.
White J's, white Porsche, white wrist, white horse, high bitch, high bitch, high bitch, high bitch.
We're overdosing. I'm angry, but I still love you. Pills and potions. We're overdosing.
You know it. remix.
I don't need a lot of wishes, cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we'd be best friends.
If you don't drink this, I'm gonna beat you up. Well, now I have to drink it because I'm not a loser. Hey, do you want a sip of this? Oh, no thanks. I don't really drink.
We put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Return to the Mac. Get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Get up.
I'm afraid to show people the real me.
We are.